Look, whether you're a parent or you're somebody that has younger siblings or you got nephews, nieces, or you're just concerned about the direction America's going to, you have to go watch the movie Sound of Freedom. We were in Bahamas and we couldn't find a movie in any theater. And then finally we found a spot. We put the kids in the other room to watch Indiana Jones, and then we sat there ourselves and a few others. And from the beginning of the movie, you're going to feel the pain, the rage. There's going to be so many unique emotions you're going to have with the opening scene on what happens to the brother and sister and the father, and you're gonna say, that's real. Then when you see the statistics, 22 million new child pornography pictures uploaded on the internet just in the last year, a 5,000% increase in the last 5 years. And the whole concept about the fact that this is a $150 billion a year industry, like $150 billion a year industry, it says you sell cocaine one time, but you can sell a child 5 to 10 times a day for 10 years. Look how profitable that is. And just last year, 2 million kids were taken for human trafficking. Just this year, in the last 12 months. I applaud the guys who funded the movie. I know there was a crowdsourcing way of getting the money. Obviously, Jim Caviezel was the right guy for this. Tim Ballard being the story of it, behind it. Everybody has to go watch it. And the most interesting thing about it was who bashed the movie. Just watch the critics on how they're bashing the movie. Oh, this was just a cute, right? Like, what? What? What part of the message has to do with that? The stats are being given from the federal government and you're not defending people having to watch this to see what's going on to protect their kids?